When to know how real designer create powerful brand identifier. Stay with me, I will show you everything. Hey everyone, I am Mahim and in this video I am going to walk you step by step through how I designed a full brand identifier for my client. Let's start. First we made a mood board. A mood board is a powerful tool that helps you visual and communicate your creative, guiding your process and inspiring new concepts. To use one, gather image, color and texture that reflect your project. Organize them into categories, ensure it reflects your vision, update it as needed, and share it with your team to align the project direction. It serves as a visual roadmap, keeping your project focused on and inspiring. You can easily create a mood board using Pinterest. So this is our mood board. Second, we sketch some logo for my client requirement. Our sketch finally ready. Now select some text for hot sauce brand. I think this font match with my logo. Our logo is finally ready. I make this band pattern for my client brand. This pattern have guitar, sauce, chilies, cap and some different things. Next I make some band poster and mockup. Hope you all enjoy this video. Like, comment, share this video.